In this video, I'll show you how to configure automated Slack notifications for new HubSpot leads. Start by signing into your HubSpot account and click the settings icon in the top right corner. Next, in the left sidebar, go to Integrations, then select Connected Apps or search for Slack in the App Marketplace. After that, click Connect Slack and sign into your Slack workspace. Review the permissions and click Allow to authorize HubSpot to send messages to Slack. Now choose the Slack channel where you want new lead notifications to be sent. For example, you can select a sales channel like #leads or #sales updates. Next, go back to HubSpot and open Automation, then select Workflows. After that, click Create Workflow and choose from scratch, then select a contact-based workflow. Now set your enrollment triggers. For example, enroll contacts when a new lead is created, when a form is submitted, or when a contact becomes a marketing qualified lead. Next, click the plus icon and add an action. Select Send Slack Notification from the available actions. After that, customize the Slack message. Include dynamic properties like contact name, email, company, lead source, and any other relevant lead details. Now click Review and Publish, then turn on the workflow to activate the automation. Finally, test the setup by creating a new lead in HubSpot and confirming that a Slack notification appears in your selected channel. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to configure automated Slack notifications for new HubSpot leads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.